Hello, this is Michelle Duncan from Intervention Services, and today I'm going to show you how to pull discipline or behavior data out of SIRS. SIRS is in the platform of EASi, so to get there we would want to go to the intranet and click on Business Applications. We'll scroll down and look for EASi. Once we've gotten into EASi, we want to go ahead to the login. And you will put in your username and password, which is the same as your email username and password. So I'm going to go ahead and log in. Now, once we're in, you'll see the different tabs at the top. Yours may look different than mine depending upon your access. For today, we want to go to Reports because we want to pull a report out of EASi. Out of SIRS. Down here are the various things. We want to go to SIRS reporting section. Incident report school-based. Now, everybody has access to this, even at the teacher level. I'm going to click on this. Now, depending upon what school you're at, only your school will show up. For today's purposes, I'm just going to select a school and we'll start from there. Let's go ahead and select school. You'll select your own school. Then it gives you an incident date range and an action date range. Now, you can make this for whatever you want. If you wanted a certain quarter one, and you would just make sure the quarter one, you would put in the date on incident date range and it matched on action date range. For today's purposes, I'm going to pull all incidents as of today's date. So I don't need to put anything in, and I know that this school year is checked. I'm pulling high school data, so I'm going to click on high school. And then I'm going to go ahead and pull all critical, major, and minor incidents, and then later I can filter out from there if I need. It automatically will select the board policy or incident type related to that. There's the board policy violations letting you know, and then I'm scrolling down. Everything's going to stay checked. This is the actions assigned. I want to be able to see all the different actions. And for right now, I'm only wanting to look at offenders. You could look at victims, witnesses, etc., but for today we're just going to do that. Now down here at the bottom, especially if you know you have a lot of open and closed incidents, I know sometimes some of us forget to close our incidents, so for today we want to see all the open and closed incidents, so that way our data can be as accurate as we need it to be. Next, I'm going to hit Generate Report. You will see a message. I'm number 28 in line. There must be a lot of people running reports today. So then we wait, and it will show up in our email when we're ready to begin. So at this point, I'm going to go ahead and stop here. This is how you will generate the report.